Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified on our new uploads. My new printouts here sa logo. So this is a RonTraveLife. I have also at the back. Yan. This video is just a continuation of my Batangas tour. So I'll be bringing you to Caleruega. Caleruega is 77 kilometers away from Metro Manila, and that is almost 2 hours of travel time. Take a bus that will passes through Tagaytay City. These are the buses that are bound to Nasugbu, Batangas. That is a 111 pesos. And then get off at the Evercrest Golf Club. Same drop-off for Mount Batulao. And there are tricycles that you can ask to transport you to Caleruega, and that will cost you 50 pesos each. And the entrance fee at Caleruega is 30 pesos. The place is located at Barangay Kailaway, Batulao, Nasugbu, Batangas. It was established by the Filipino Dominicans and named after the birthplace of their founder, Saint Dominic de Guzman, father of the ordeal of preachers, to honor and remember his legacy. Their vision and mission is to envision Caleruega to be home amidst the beauty of nature, where pilgrims are open to prayer, creative transformation, and to gospel values such as passion for truth, compassion for humanity, authentic human development, solidarity, and reverence for life and integrity of creation. Caleruega became the popular place for weddings and receptions. The place is also for recollections, leadership and team buildings, prayer and renewal workshops, and marriage.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is alive, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. Even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town.
And then that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy this a short tour, a continuation of my Batangas tour. And the budget of this Caleruega will be posted in the description below and also here.
Yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in all.
And that's it. Thank you, and kindly subscribe if you haven't already. So and see you on our next travel adventure. Bye.